Hey guys, what's going on? Paul Scott here. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Obviously, because you clicked on it, you want to know more about EAconomy and what we have to offer. The company's made some incredible marketing materials and they've done a really great job at projecting where this company is going, the vision for it, and how we're going to help people. But at the end of the day, commercials are great, but there's nothing like hearing it from a real person. So I wanted to make this video and share my experience with EAconomy with you guys on what I've seen and what I've experienced. So I've been in the network marketing space for over 7 years. I've been a part of a couple different companies, dealt with a lot of different products, and what I can say is that this industry is absolutely incredible. I mean, network marketing has paid out over $200 billion within the last year. So 2018, there were over $200 billion paid out to affiliates across the entire world through network marketing. So there's a lot of potential in this space. So I was extremely excited about what network marketing had to offer, but I was always on that journey to find the right company, the right products. And what really blew my mind is 2 years ago when I got exposed to the Forex industry, this foreign currency exchange market. I paid a lot of money for some education and I started to learn technical analysis and how to read charts and how to really dive into the markets. And once I started to make a little bit of money, I saw even more potential in Forex. I saw that I could, in a couple minutes, I could easily make $100 that could pay a cell phone bill or a light bill or just be life-changing for a lot of people. And so I got extremely excited about that opportunity and I wanted to share it with the world. But once I started exposing people to Forex and saw them struggle through trying to learn technical analysis, I realized how hard this industry really is. There were way too many people losing money. The Forex market is in no way, shape, or form a guarantee. There's no promise of making money. And I saw way more people losing than I saw winning. And I said, it's an amazing industry, but there's gotta be a better way. Which, by the way, I should throw out this disclaimer. You should never trade with anything other than risk capital. Risk capital is money that you can afford to lose without jeopardizing your lifestyle, meaning that you shouldn't lose your house or lose your car or go homeless. I don't know, but your life should not drastically change and have some terrible things happen to you just because you lost some money in Forex. It should be whatever extra money that you have is what you should be trading with in the Forex market because the markets are so volatile and trading is risky. But I saw that I figured there's got to be a better way for people to learn and hop into this market and start to see some success, see constant profitability. And that's when I found artificial intelligence, or EAs, right? Expert advisors. About a year ago, I found out that artificial intelligence exists and there were EAs all over the place trading for people and helping them manage their accounts and break into the market. So I started to do my research on EAs. For the past year, I've been experimenting with different EAs and testing all types of settings and really trying to find the best of what's out there. And it's proven to me that EAs work. And after seeing what EAconomy has to offer and using some of these EAs, I mean, I am wholeheartedly convinced that this company has the potential to change the world. Now, for compliance reasons, because this company is doing an amazing job at protecting itself. At the end of the day, no matter how much money we make people, if we're not doing things the right way, the government's going to come after us and the company will be shut down. So it's important that we market this properly and share it with people properly. So the company has created a compliance rule that you're not allowed to make public posts or videos sharing results. So I can't show you guys my account and the results that I've seen with the software right here in this video. But if you'd like to see some of my results or see results from other customers and what the software has been doing, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'll get you added to our exclusive Facebook group where we're constantly sharing posts and sharing results. There's over 20,000 members in that group sharing what the software is doing for them. And this company has over 90,000 registered customers who want to test out the software. 20,000 people have registered in the pre-launch of this company just to check out the software and see what this thing can do. And I am absolutely impressed. So like I said, if you want to see those results, definitely reach out to me and I'd be happy to show them to you or add you to some groups and you can check that out for yourself. But before I get into talking about the softwares and the couple different ones that we have, I think there's a couple important things to note. The first one is that EAconomy does not take your money and then take it into the Forex market and we manage your money and all that kind of stuff. We have absolutely no access to your money. What you do is think of a Forex broker. That's basically like your bank account for Forex. All right, you put your money in and you can take your money out, and that's basically just the holding tank, right? That's what a Forex broker is. So you can do some research, you find a broker of your choice, and then you give them your money. And now the money is sitting in your bank account, right? Your Forex bank account. And what happens is you buy the software from EAconomy, we help you get it linked up with your trading account, and then it analyzes the market and places trades for you that are meant to grow your account. And that's what the software does. But you have complete control of your trading experience, meaning that you determine when your software is on, when your software is off, the settings that the software is looking for to trade in the market. You determine your own settings. So you have a lot of control, even the time frames at which your software is analyzing the market and placing trades. That is all your decision and things that you set. So you don't have to have extensive knowledge in Forex and an extensive background to use them, but you need to know a little bit and you need to have some of the basics. And we also have some education and we'll be able to teach you anything, all the basics, so that you can properly use the software. So those were some of the things that I wanted to bring up. Now, speaking of the softwares, we have the Trade Ringer and the Trade Runner. Those are our two EAs. Now, the Trade Runner is a software that hasn't actually even released yet. No one's used it outside of corporate, and so I can't speak too much on it. But I do know what that software is designed to do. It's for a lower cost of entry. Basically, with $500, you should be able to use the Trade Runner effectively, and it can take that $500 and trade it in the market, and supposed to, like I said, bring you back some profits. So that's what the Trade Runner is designed to do. The Trade Ringer, however, that is the software that I've been using along with everyone else who's been involved in the pre-launch and has been testing it out. So when you join these groups or when you see screenshots or when you reach out to me and I send you back pictures of my account, whatever it is, that's all because of the Trade Ringer. This software is incredible, and the entry point is a little bit higher. The entry point is about $1,000 for the Trade Ringer, $1,000 or more for the best results. Now, obviously, I have people who push the limits and maybe they only have 500 as risk capital. They only have $500, and the Trade Ringer is the only thing that's available, and they've been trading with 500. And that's one of the great things as well. Again, like I said, you control every aspect of this trading experience. Even though I say, hey, it's $1,000, that's where we see the best results at. But if you want to test it and you want to go with 500, everything is completely up to you. So, but like I said, $1,000 is the best point of entry, and the Trade Ringer can take your account and do some great things with it. So that's that software. The next thing I wanted to talk about was Seed, because this university, this academy is just mind-blowing. What I love about the softwares is that you don't have to only use them. Just because you're using an EA doesn't mean you can't learn the skill of Forex. The EAs were just designed to have you have an easier road into Forex. So it's kind of it's meant to kind of guide you into the Forex market with ease. So what Seed was created to do is to not only educate people on the Forex market and teach you technical analysis and how the Forex market works, but also in other financial markets. Seed was designed to teach you all about wealth. See, in our society, we see people making money all the time. Money is not an issue. I mean, we have people winning the lottery, winning hundreds of millions of dollars in the lottery, or maybe inheritance, life from a life insurance policy or something like that. Or maybe even they were an athlete making millions and millions of dollars, but after they retired, or maybe they were forced into retirement by an injury, we see 5, 10 years down the line, those same people who just had hundreds of millions of dollars going broke. It's not about making money, but it's about what you do with that money after you make it. Being smart about the money that you have so that you can create wealth for your family for generations to come. And all that knowledge is what Seed is meant to give you, to show you what to do with wealth once you acquire it. So we got the softwares and the EAs that are helping you get into the Forex market, and hopefully, and again, no guarantees here, but they're meant to bring you back some profits. That's what those softwares are doing. And with that money, you use the knowledge from Seed so that you can continue to invest it and put it in places where it will be able to change your family's life forever, for generations and generations to come, right? And the Rockefellers are a beautiful example of that. I mean, not only are they one of the wealthiest families in the world, but that money has been passed from generation to generation to generation, and it's all because of the simple formulas that they've been using. In order to get what people have, you have to do what people do. And so you have to study people like the Rockefellers and implement the strategies and things that they do. And that's what Seed is. That's the knowledge that Seed is giving you. Now, another product that we have here at EAconomy that I am excited about, that I've been using and seeing some great results with as well, is the Trade Compass. All right, what the Trade Compass is for is, it's kind of like giving you that feel of technical analysis, meaning that you do have to do a little bit of charting. You're going to have to draw some trend lines, and you're going to have to figure out a good entry point. The Trade Compass is not a signal service. All right, that signal services, they basically give you all the parameters. They say, here's the pair, here's where you want to enter at, your stop loss, this is how much money you want to risk, and they give you all the parameters, and all you do is just copy and paste. The Trade Compass is even better. The Trade Compass allows you to do some basic charting and draw out some lines, but it's still alerting you on when the market is most likely going to make a breakout move. So when something big is about to happen, that is when we get an alert from the compass and says, hey, check out the Euro US dollar. And then you get to use the wedge strategy, which is explained in detail once you get access to the product. There's videos showing you how to use it, and they show you how to chart this out. But you will be able to chart it out using the compass and get into a trade that you place yourself on your own account and let the trade play out. And for myself, I've seen over like 80% accuracy with the Trade Compass on all the trades that I've taken. So I am very impressed with this product as well. And there's no minimum balance because you're trading with your own account. So you have your live account, again, same deal. You go to your broker, and then I'm just placing trades. So I am literally plugging in trades on my own. So there's no minimum. I can just, whatever my account size is, I can change my lots to fit my account size, my lot sizes, meaning how much money I'm putting into every trade that I place. So that's a very cool thing about the compass as well. And then I'll go into our Zendesk here. And what the Zendesk does, there's all types of answers to just about any and every question you could ever have regarding the company, regarding the products, the rewards plan, the compensation plan, even some basic information about trading. Everything that you need to know can be found here in the Zendesk. So it's basically like it's like an FAQ kind of thing. So it takes a lot of pressure off of us to answer hundreds of thousands of questions from our team members. You can do your own research and get a lot of questions answered here at the Zendesk. So it's a great resource that corporate's provided for us to help answer some of those common questions, some of those basic questions. And that's basically everything that EAconomy has to offer. Those are all of the products. And also one more thing I wanted to mention as well is that when we launch, today is March 10th. It's May 10th. Today is May 10th, and we are officially launching EAconomy. When the launch happens, the softwares will not be available. You'll only have access to seed for the first week, maybe 2 weeks into the company. So again, May 10th, 2019, when we launch, which will be today, you'll only have access to seed. So you'll be able to dig into this university, dig into this academy, start to learn some of the wealth strategies and how the Forex market will work. Everyone getting involved in the company from today on will not have access to the EAs until they're approved by our lawyers. Because as I mentioned earlier, we have a very large legal team made up of 7 different law firms. Each one has its own specialty. One deals with network marketing cases and network marketing companies and all the issues and barriers that network marketing companies experience. The other is a specialist in dealing with the CFTC, which is the regulating body of the government, which regulates Forex and companies that sell Forex-related products. Another legal law firm deals with artificial intelligence and EAs in the Forex market. So each aspect of our company, we have a specific law firm that only does work in that specific area. So we have 7 different law firms all analyzing our company to make sure that we're around for years and years and years to come. So we're still waiting on a couple final checks from the lawyers to release the softwares. So those won't be available for a week or 2. But you'll have full access to seed. You'll be able to start learning a little bit about the Forex markets and how to hold on to wealth. And for everyone who has been involved in the pre-launch, your software that is currently working will still continue to work after we launch. And then all of the new customers will be able to use those products as well, maybe a week or 2, however long the lawyers take. So those were just some important points I wanted to break down. That's been my experience with EAconomy, and I hope that you give us the opportunity to show you how amazing this company is and what it's been able to do for us. So with that being said, feel free to reach out to me. You can find my link below and all my contact information if you have any questions. I mean, like I said, I'm completely transparent. Be happy to show you my account or put you into our Facebook groups where you can see results of thousands and thousands of customers all using this software. So I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next video.